Alright guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix the delta water valve that is leaking. As you can see on the floor is water everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but it's leaking all the way here and it's wet. So my wife says you gotta fix it or what? So I'm gonna go and show you guys how I fix it, alright? So first of all, we're gonna shut the main water valve off, okay? In this case, it's in the front of my house, so I'm gonna just shut it off. As you can see, it's been raining the last couple days, so it's water everywhere, but I'm not gonna go through all that, so I'm just gonna fill it and shut it off the valve, okay, from the main line. Make sure it's all the way, just clockwise, and then we go ahead and do the rest. Make sure leave some the faucet of the water faucet off in the bathroom so we don't have that much pressure, water pressure. Pull it out, this little top just come out. We're gonna remove this little screw in the middle. If you want to, or you can just do the whole thing just like this. Alright, I think it pops with everything, but since this is my first time replacing it, this is the way I'm doing it, okay? It's pretty easy, pretty simple. The only thing it's gonna take, it's gonna make you cry, guys, is gonna be just to do the last part. Okay, so you just pull it out like that. Alright, yeah, it sits right there. That was a hot setting right now, so just pull it out all the way. Now we're gonna just pull out this whole handle with this other part. Well, I'm gonna take this little thing right here. Just be careful because you don't want to break it. It's expensive parts, plastic, you know. Yeah, yes, it's there. That's the clock. Alright, so next we're gonna pull out the handle, the handle part. Let me place the camera on the side so you guys can see how I'm doing it. From right here, you can do a little bit by little bit, right? Alright, just from right here, open it a little bit by little bit, hold it from different angles. Yeah, like that. There you go. Okay, there you go. That's the handle right there. Now we're gonna do this little tab right here. It just sits on there. It's not a big deal. Now we're gonna take this little cap off as well. This one right here, it just we're gonna take these two screws and the little top right here. Yeah, that one just come off by hand, or okay. Let's remove the screws. All right, just like that, simple, like that. You can also the manual. If you wanna buy the part, if you already know the part number, you can just go and buy the part, the valve, and this is gonna show you the installation and uninstallation procedure. Okay. This is just a quick video. Well, it's not really quick video, but just to kind of give you an idea how to do it. Okay, you can do better than me. That's fine. I just this is my first time working on this kind of stuff, so I don't really know much about it. I just follow another video, so I just follow the instructions from it. Okay, just be careful. Make sure all the water is off. Alright, we're just gonna remove this, and that's it, guys. Now is the difficult part right here. Okay, the hardest part right here is I'm gonna have to heat this part right here because it won't come off easily. Okay, if you have lucky, that's fine. Oh, this is the way I'm gonna just show you how to the leaks come from. So it's from the valve, as you can see. Okay, right there is the leak. When I show you how it leaks when you have the top off. I went to Lowe's and Home Depot and I found this Delta brand because this is a Delta that I have, but unfortunately it's 40 bucks, but unfortunately they didn't work at all. I have to go to another uh, local appliance store where they have it, but it was like 140 bucks. Yeah, very expensive. Okay, anyway, so this is what I'm talking about. It's very hard, guys. Very, very hard. I've been trying to do, like a couple times, but now I'm gonna use a torch so I can heat it up because it won't come out. Even with DW40, it's not working at all. I already tried this and it didn't work. There's a lubricant and whatever. DW40 is the same thing. That's from Walmart. Okay, anyways, so now I'm just gonna use my torch and heat up this part. Okay, just be careful if there are kids around. I'm not responsible for doing this. Just very, very careful. This is my own house, so I'm very, very careful, as you can see. I did it like for 10 minutes, heating it up like that. If you wanna go deal with all these, just call a plumber. Just be ready to pay that cash, which is worth it. Because it's a lot of work. Believe me. Okay. Alright, do it on both sides, right and left, just to make sure. There you go, and then go back. There you go. Be careful, it's hot, still hot, guys. Just watch out. I'm gonna use a piece of paper towel here that I have on hand. I don't wanna go all the way to get my gloves. There you go. See, but I had to heat it up, remember, okay? If you're lucky just to do it by hand, that's cool. Alright, that's the part. Now we're gonna just pull out the valve itself. Just pull it out like that. Come on, there you go. As you can see, I already burned it because I burned it with my torch. Okay, there's more parts inside the tube, so make sure pull them out, all of them, and clean the area. Okay, the tube right there, the valve. Here's my part. Here's the other parts left in there. You don't really need to install this stuff because it comes with a valve, so you don't have to worry about it. There's a screw in there, but with a new part you don't need to put that screw back in there because there's no needed. It's a new upgrade valve. See, as you can see right there, there's another plastic part. It comes in two. Yeah, there you go. And there's one more in there. There you go. Yeah, still one more plastic thing in there that you can see. Right there, look. Yeah. Make sure everything is out of that valve, okay? The big valve. There you go. Clean it and we're gonna get ready to install the new one. Just like that. Okay, so we don't have to to put the little screw in there, okay, anymore. Okay, we already cleaned it, and now we are ready to put the new valve. Okay, this is the new part right here, guys. I'm gonna put the part number if your shower valve is like this one. Okay, it comes with two parts and the installer as well. This is a part number right here. Don't take this one off yet until we're finished, okay, at the end. That's the old one. Just make sure it looks the same part number. Yeah. We're good to go. Remember, in the package it comes with it, there's the manual, the instructions, how to put it together, how to take them apart as well. Also, there's some three versions, also Spanish. There you go. That's the way it goes, okay? Just keep it. Pretty much all of them are similar. All these valves. Right, let's go and put it back together. Okay, first insert the first part. There is a little holder that you can use to put it inside, but it's really hard to use it, so I'm just gonna take it off and put it by hand. Okay, just push it all the way down. Yeah, make sure it sits well right there, just like that. And then after this one, I use the valve cell. Make sure there's a alignment where it sits. It says hot or cold. It's gonna be up or down. Okay, just keep an eye on that. Make sure you install it the right way. That way you're gonna look at the service manual. There you go. Okay, next when I just install the rest of the parts. Just like that. Make sure to hold the valve itself once you're tying it up the other part. Make sure the valve is not gonna move once you turn it, okay? There you go. Easy peasy. Just like that. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and do the rest. All right, put this the O-ring first, and then put the cap next. Like just insert it like this way, and that's it. You don't have to tighten it up or something like that. That's what the O-ring's for, just to hold it in place. Yeah, that part. Around. Next, this is a part number, multi-choice, 17 multi-choice, and just do the rest like that. So the two screws. It's just a little tricky, you know. There you go. Now that's it, guys. Well, here you hit to align the water valve right here where it's gonna say cold and hot. Okay, just make sure you the way you want it. I want it this way, so I'm just gonna do cold all the way to the right and hot all the way to the left. Put the screw and the valve, align all the parts, and we're good to go. Alright guys, that's it. Everything else is good. Make sure it's freely moves freely. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully if you like my video, and thumbs up. Okay, have a nice day, have a nice week, have a nice weekend. Happy New Year as well. 2019 is gonna be in a few days. Alright, I'm gonna just show you that it works now. It's working. I'm gonna open the water, the main water line, put my stuff back on, everything like it was supposed to be go. And look at the water, nice and tight. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and God bless America. Thank you.